How to install CapitalOne CreditWise app. Just tap get, and then you will just double click, and then you will just able to install on your phone. Credit score and report, know your credit score, and much more. CapitalOne CreditWise is a free tool to check and monitor a credit score, and it's available to everyone, not just CapitalOne customers. Use CreditWise to understand what makes up your score and find helpful ways to take action to improve it. If your score is where you want it to be, use CreditWise to keep an eye on your accounts and get alerts when something changes on your TransUnion or Experian credit report. This is the app. You can just open it up. Then here there's also Spanish version, and then you can just sign up with your CapitalOne account, or you can just start with CreditWise, first name, last name, email address, or you can just sign in here.